Hello students, so today we will learn our new lesson about land, soil, water resources. So this is about resources. So that this lesson from geography chapter, okay, geography part chapter 2. So here is about resources. See, resource, you know resource? Resource is what? It's a essential thing which we get from nature, okay? Essential thing which we get from nature, which we can utilize. Remember, which we can utilize, that is resource. Everything in nature is not a resource, because all resource from nature we not means utilize. Everything in nature, whatever lies, we cannot utilize. So which we can utilize, which is necessary for us, we can utilize, that is called resource. So basically you can see land, soil, water, these are very very important resource for us. So these are important for us, and also if it become less in quantity also, that is also we get problem. So introduction you can see here. Have you ever thought how difficult it would be to survive even for a day? Day means for one day without water and food. Surely nobody can stay for one day. One day, if you see 24 hours, surely nobody could stay. So without water and food. Okay, then also here, if food or flood, landslide washes away your fertile soil, you know, that is very good soil, which is good for growing plant. If all flood comes and also landslide become, then if they carried away or fertile soil, then what would be happen? Crops, plants, vegetables cannot grow easily. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी प्रॉब्लम. अगर अच्छा मिट्टी नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? पेड़ पौधे भी नहीं उगेंगे, हमें खाने को भी नहीं मिलेगा. रिमेंबर, सो इट्स ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग सॉइल. ऐसा नहीं कि हर सॉइल होने से ही सब पेड़ उगेगा. दिस इज़ नॉट ट्रू. यू कैन सी इन डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सॉइल वी गेट. इवन इन आवर होम, इफ़ यू नोटिस, even in your own place you will get different, at least more than one type of soil you will get, if you notice. Okay, more than one type of soil you will get, back side, front side, side you will get. So क्या है, मिट्टी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पानी जैसा इंपॉर्टेंट है, मिट्टी भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, खाना भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो मिट्टी नहीं होने से खाना कहाँ से आएगा? वे फ्रॉम वेयर? बिकॉज मिट्टी में क्या लाते हैं? पौधे लगाते हैं, पेड़ पौधे लगाते हैं, तो हमें खाना तो चाहिए ही. सो दैट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर एनिमल ऑल्सो दे ईट प्लांट. If you eat chicken, you eat goat, so they also eat plant. So अगर वो उन लोग को खाने को नहीं मिलेगा तो हम लोग कहाँ से खाएंगे? That is also important thing. So here is our important is land. First thing is land. See, land is rocky outer layer of the earth, and land is very important. Okay, important properties. So for resource, land is very important resource. So here rich natural resource should be used properly. Yes, natural resource always should be used properly and wisely. We should not use very idiotly, like very idiot type we should not use. Very wisely we should use. So here are land has different what strict laws should be there. Strict laws should be enforced, ensure preservation of cultivated land. खेती करने वाले लैंड के लिए भी बहुत सारा लॉ बनाया गया है देश में, ताकि अच्छे से प्रोडक्शन हो. क्योंकि अगर प्रोडक्शन ही नहीं होगा तो हम लोग अपना तो खा तो नहीं सकेंगे, लेकिन दूसरे देश को भी नहीं दे पाएंगे. क्या होता है, जिस देश में प्रोडक्टिविटी ज़्यादा होता है ना, वो देश ज़्यादा डेवलप करता है. क्यों? वो देश क्या करता है, अपने देश के लोगों को तो खिलाता ही है, ऊपर से दूसरे देश में भी बेचते हैं और पैसा कमाते हैं. टैक्स मिलता है, पैसा मिलता है. सो इसीलिए क्या है, प्रोडक्टिविटी ज़्यादा होने से वो देश जल्दी इकोनॉमिकली डेवलप होता है. इंडिया भी अभी तक इंडिया में कुछ ही चीज़ में हम लोगों को क्या करते हैं, अलग देश को वो करते हैं, एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं. ज़्यादातर हम तो बाहर से ही लाते हैं. ये प्रॉब्लम है इंडिया में, इसीलिए हम अभी भी डेवलपिंग कंट्री ही है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी शुड यूज़ वेरी wisely. So here are some different type of. सो हियर यू कैन सी लैंड ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट, ऑब्वियसली दिस वन बोलने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए, पेड़ पौधे के लिए, एग्रीकल्चर के लिए, इकोसिस्टम के लिए, हेल्थ के लिए, लोगों के हेल्थ के लिए, क्योंकि पेड़ पौधे नहीं होंगे तो हमें क्या होगा, प्रॉब्लम आएगा, पोल्यूशन होगा, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बढ़ेगा, बीमारी बढ़ेगा. सो ये तो इंपॉर्टेंट, एवरी वन नोज अबाउट द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ लैंड. हियर इज ऑल्सो वन कैप्चर, ओनली 3% ऑफ द लैंड सपोर्ट 90% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन. रिमेंबर, इतना कम मिट्टी में दुनिया के ज़्यादा 90% लोग रहते हैं. सोचो कितना प्रेशर पड़ा है मिट्टी में. So that's a very important is land. So here is some landforms like mountain, plateau area, plain area. So for this you can watch a very nice video which I have taken from our digital class. So you can watch that.
Land is a natural habitat for humankind. It is one of the useful resource provided by nature. It is resourceful in various ways. Forests offer trees, medicines. They are also a shelter for animals. Farms are where man grows his own food. They are usually found in villages. Man uses land to build various kinds of houses like huts, tenements, buildings, bungalows, and more. Offices are mainly found in towns and cities. Here, man carries out business dealings and transactions.
Have you noticed while traveling that the Earth's surface is not the same everywhere? Due to various movements below the Earth's surface, it appears lifted or sunken in different places, creating different landforms. Based on their heights, landforms can be classified as mountains, plateaus, and plains. Let's see how each of these landforms is used by people. Large flat areas of land are called plains. The basin of the river Ganga in India is one such plain. Click each icon to learn more. A plateau is a landform that is at a height and has a flat top. It looks like a table, that's why it's called a tableland. India has many plateaus. The Deccan Plateau is the biggest of them. Click each icon to learn more. Mountains are high landforms that rise above the other landforms on the Earth's surface. The Himalayan range has some of the highest mountains in the world. Click each icon. Now, let's see how well you remember what you saw. Drag the words on the screen to their associated landforms. India is South Asia's largest sovereign democratic republic. You can easily locate it on a world map because of its central location in South Asia and its downward pointing triangular shape into the Indian Ocean. India covers an area of about 3.2 million square kilometers, which makes it the 7th largest country in the world. It stretches for approximately 3,200 kilometers from north to south and covers approximately 3,000 kilometers from east to west. India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. Its latitudinal extent is from 8 degrees and 4 minutes north to 37 degrees and 18 minutes north. Even in the northern hemisphere, India lies exclusively in the eastern hemisphere. Its longitudinal extent is from 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degrees and 25 minutes east. The northern, northwestern and eastern part of India is bordered by Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. The only neighboring country to its south is Sri Lanka. To travel the complete extent of India from its northern frontiers to its southernmost tip, you would see some very fascinating geographical features, from mountains to plains, from deserts to plateaus, and coastal plains to islands. Click each highlighted tab in the map to learn more.
So with this we have learned little bit about landforms, mountain, plateau, plain area, and about India physical features also. So I hope you have understood. Wait for next class. Thank you and read the lesson.